Fire, Ivory, and Action!
I'm in the business of misery. Let's take it from the top. She's got a body like an hourglass, it's ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the mouth. I waited a long month, she finally set him free. I told him I couldn't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks we caught on fire.
Music para sa akin, ito ang universal language of the soul. Dahil kahit classical music na walang lyrics, mapifeel ng soul natin kung anong naisiparating nung music. Ayun.
Ang music para sa akin ay buhay. Buhay.
Bakit?
Kasi mahilig ako sa basketball.